Oh, hello. Oh, I tell you what, it gets pretty hot, so when it does that, it's nice to paint in the shade. But hey, I'm gonna knock it off for the rest of the day. It's about mid-afternoon now, and I've been going at it and at it. I painted the back here. Got a coat, and it's just kind of hard to say how the color is going to look until I get a second coat on and it dries. So I think I'll go load this video and get ready for another round tomorrow, because I think I'm going to knock it off. But I could come out a little later today, but this evening, see how it is. Okay, bye. Hit that button.